Booking a holiday on TripsAvr 2.0 is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When trying to search for a hotel, go to the main page and type in your destination. Select your check-in and check-out dates, number of travelers, and then click the search button. Wow! 460 hotels available on the selected dates. Great, isn't it? Each listed hotel gives you a public price, your possible savings, and the discounted TripsAvr price, taxes included. The savings dollars will be deducted from your balance. You may also sort or filter the results according to the following categories: biggest dollar savings, hotel rating, hotel name. See other information about the hotel, location, facilities, pictures, and traveler reviews. For this deal, the average price per night without tax is $104. Let's see what other websites offer on the same booking dates. And voila! You got the best deal! Now select your room type. You can choose yourself as a traveler or book for a friend. Check your booking information in the summary and proceed to payment using any of the options available. Before you submit your booking, make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions and the cancellation policy. And that's it! You can place your reservation. A confirmation voucher will be sent to your registered email. You can also find it in the dashboard under View Reservation.